This is a single-shaft double ribbon mixer, mainly used for mixing powdery materials. The Euro models are the capacity from 50 to 2,000 kg per batch. Also can be customized depending on client's requests. Motor power from 1.5 kW to 30 kW. It consists of main body, rotor, transmission parts, and control part. Adopt double-layer ring-shaft spiral blades with small clearance at bottom. Transmission methods include direct connection, battery drive, and chain drive. Equipped with liquid adding pipe, can add grease. The discharge way include manual discharge, pneumatic gate control, and large bottom door discharge. And discharge speed is fast. The advantages of using a horizontal ribbon mixer are high mixing uniformity, the CV less than 7%, and the material residues is small. Short mixing time, 3 to 6 minutes per batch. High efficiency. The mixer is simple in structure, easy to operate and clean. Reasonable power matching, saving energy consumption. Our factory has specialized in production of feed machinery for 30 years and has 13 years of export experience. We can supply single equipment or complete set according to client's requests. If you want to learn more about our product, welcome to visit our website or contact us by email.